I'm Jonathan Morduch. I'm a professor of public policy and economics at the Robert F. Wagner Graduate School of Public Service, and I'm managing director of the Financial Access Initiative. I want to talk a bit about a new study which is really exciting, and I think it's the beginning of what's going to be a series of papers and maybe even a book. When I first started thinking about microfinance, all the folks who are in the donor agencies were really excited about the supply side of microfinance. How do you create workable institutions that can expand and serve hundreds of millions of people? At that time, I was really struck by the fact that they were talking about the supply side, but they were sort of ignoring the demand side. Who were the customers? What was their poverty rates? What was happening to them? How was this fitting into their lives? So what's really interesting about microfinance is that it turns out to be a great laboratory for a much bigger set of ideas that are about creating workable institutions that combine the possibility of a real business model with the passion of social investment that can combine philanthropy plus commerce. So, we talk about social investment. We have books like this one, Creative Capitalism. This is Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and others talking about new forms of capitalism. They're creating social objectives and commercial objectives within the same kinds of industries. We have Philanthrocapitalism. We have a lot of books. The Acumen Fund, the great book, The Blue Sweater by Jacqueline Novogratz, all about social investment. And microfinance is really the leading sector, the most sophisticated sector. And yet, when I looked at microfinance more carefully, I saw that there are a lot of people who are actually working on the financial side of microfinance, who are really smart, really sophisticated, but whose stories were not being told. I also saw there was a lot of academic work that was going on in corporate finance that was really sophisticated and really smart, but that wasn't translating it into this sector. And so this agenda, this paper, is all about taking ideas that are working in practice, ideas that are on the forefront of theory, putting it together to create a research agenda for social investment and microfinance for the first time.